This is Mega Comrade, the open leader of People Freedom Movement worldwide. I repeat, this is Mega Comrade, the open leader of People Freedom Movement worldwide, Commander-in-Chief of the Defenseless and the Voiceless. Today's date is Wednesday, May 20, 2020. My heart bleeded when I heard that a political vulture, a political vampire, a political cheater, a political wolf, and a political hyena will not stop until they are brought to justice. Someone could imagine, or someone could ask, why is Mega Comrade always exposing Governor Godwin Obaseki atrocity? A lot of people might be having a doubtful mind and be saying maybe the leader of PFM have a personal problem with Governor Godwin Obaseki. Hell no. I have no personal problem with Governor Godwin Obaseki. When you bark like a dog, you act like a dog, you crawl like a dog, you are a dog. A pig is a pig. It don't matter how long it's going to take to bath a pig, it will remain a pig. A betrayer is a betrayer. Betrayed blood will not change to be clean blood. Godwin Obaseki is a betrayer. Just like he have once again demonstrate that he has that gene, betrayed blood in him. This time around, Obaseki is on attack. He's attacking the men and women in uniform in Nigeria. Little bit more than a few months ago, a nobleman is, listen, it's very hard for me to come out and tell you a police officer are doing a good job in Nigeria. But remember many years ago, about 2 years ago, I came out to praise the police commissioner of Lagos State with his impeccable job that he was doing. And a little bit more than a couple of years ago, I came out and raised alarm and demand for Commissioner Gwandu of Edo State to be removed from office due to the fact that Commissioner Gwandu have lost his constitutional right or his constitutional job, what he took an oath to uphold. Commissioner Gwandu lost his job, lost his leadership when he continued to romance Godwin Obaseki. Commissioner Gwandu were now almost sleeping in a political bed. That is where he lost his track. Okay. Commissioner Johnson was brought into Edo State. Let's fast forward it. Couple of weeks ago or a month ago, we continue to hear some, information about how Governor Godwin Obaseki want to attack the Edo State Police Commissioner with Edo State taxpayer money, knowing fully well that this innocent noble commissioner has no money to fight him, has no power to fight him. But a power-drunk governor, Godwin Obaseki, will not stop, not until the innocent poor citizen of Edo State remove him from the office. Commissioner of Police Edo State, Mr. Lawal Jemita, is a man that I don't know. I have never met him, but as a man, a freedom fighter, the father of those who cannot fight for themselves, the defender of the defenseless, the voice of the voiceless, the almighty, the only man, a fearless Mega Comrade, a United States-based anti-corruption, anti-fraud political activist, a former detational officer or correctional officer, or you can then call it a jailer, current commercial security personnel here in Dallas, Texas, and also a Texas licensed private investigator in state of Texas, United States. It is my duty to use my voice, my power, to defend those who cannot defend themselves, and to speak for those who cannot speak for themselves, and to call out all the political, evil, corrupt leaders and call them by their name. Once you harbor terrorists, you pal around with terrorists, you sympathize with terrorists, you finance terrorists, you are a terrorist. Once you loot money in the office, you become a multi-billionaire overland. Once you are elected in a political office and you continue to use Edo State taxpayer money, you are a corrupt leader. So therefore, I want the good people of Edo State to hear this cry of an innocent man. A state police commissioner, Governor Godwin Obaseki, have never put on any goddamn uniform in his life. He have not even wear a common security uniform. He have no idea what it takes to be an law enforcement officer. That being said, I want every man and woman, wherever you are, I want you to help me to share this video to the Inspector General of Nigerian Police, to the AIG Zone 5. I want you to help me to Commissioner of Police Edo State, Deputy Commissioner, and other law enforcement head agency. Attack on one law enforcement officer is an attack on all. Governor Godwin Obaseki have lost it. The driven desire to come back to office or for his re-election, second tenure, re-election bid, have made Governor Godwin Obaseki to continue to make a rational judgment by palling around with terrorists, sponsoring terrorists, Abat Obase Emite, sponsoring Obaseki 4+4 Togba terrorist group, and continue to harbor those who goes to Kogi and import dynamite bomb and grenade bomb that they are using to destroy the security of Edo State. What a shameful life. I want the whole world to listen how this noble may become a target to the governor of Edo State. Want to go?
That salute signaled the arrival of the new Edo State Police Commissioner, Mr. Lawa Thanku Jimitai.
You heard that? You heard it. You heard it. That is not from Mega Comrade. I want you all to bear with me. How this man become a target to Governor Godwin Obaseki. This is the beginning of his journey. Let's start all over. The whole world should listen and share this video.
That salute signaled the arrival of the new Edo State Police Commissioner, Mr. Lawa Thanku Jimitai, to take over from CP Demala Mohammed, who was recently promoted to the rank of Assistant Inspector General of Police. Addressing senior officers of the command, the new Commissioner of Police, Mr. Jimitai, thanked Inspector General of Police for giving him the opportunity to serve. He commended the outgoing CP Demala Mohammed for his commitment to curb crime and criminality in the state and promised to improve on the security architecture.
I am here in Edo not only as the command CP, but also as a very good friend to all the people of Edo. My predecessor, AIG Damala Mohammed, has achieved a lot. But I am promising that I will follow suit.
The outgoing police commissioner thereafter handed over the mantle of leadership to his successor and wished him well in all endeavors.
I'm using this opportunity to hand over the Edo State Police Command to you, which consists of 10 area commands, 55 police divisions. And the state is surrounded by Kogi State from the north. You have the Delta State and Ondo State. Edo State is strategically located because it's a gateway to the northern part of Nigeria, and it's a gateway to southwest, south, and southeast.
Until his post.
You heard that? Immediately he was handed over. They hand over the power to him. Obaseki, Governor Obaseki decided to try and turn a law enforcement officer into Obaseki political corrupt officer in charge. Little did he know that this innocent man is a noble man, a man that have went to United Nations peacekeeping. More than 5 times he have been deployed to African Union, whatever it is. This may have numerous overseas service that he have done for the good people of Africa. Obaseki thought this was Commissioner Gwandu. You can remember when Obaseki led the troop to the airport. This man cautioned him. He cautioned him. You can remember when he blocked Comrade Adamali Oshomole road to his house. He cautioned him. You can also remember when Obaseki, what they call his name, this Kogi boy, Aruna, went to go and bring Kogi fake police officer. Obaseki called the commissioner of Edo State and ordered him to comply with them and attach his police department along with them, that he should allow them to use police vehicle. Allegedly, due to my informant, told me that the commissioner of police refused. And they went ahead and carried that attack without the CP. I want the police commissioner, Mr. Lawa Jemita. May God Almighty continue to bless you. I may not know how to pronounce your name right because you are not my friend, but you are my brother in uniform. As a uniform man here in United States, a military family here in United States, I will stand anywhere to defend any man and woman in uniform. That is the bond that we have. That is the brotherhood Obaseki cannot join. It don't matter how many times he's going to be re-elected or not re-elected. He can never join that brotherhood. It's over for him. So therefore, I want the good people of Edo State to understand. If you lose this CP for corruption, for corrupt Governor Godwin Obaseki, Edo State will live to regret why they did not speak against this Obaseki autocratic system of governing. That being said, I am going to show you the very first day this commissioner of police came in. You have heard it in audio. I have no right to this ITV. We want to thank him for letting us know how everything happened. That being said, I want you to see. Let's go.
That salute signaled the arrival of the new Edo State Police Commissioner, Mr. Lawa Thanku Jimitai, to take over from CP Dan Malam Mohammed, who was recently promoted to the rank of Assistant Inspector General of Police. Addressing senior officers of the command, the new Commissioner of Police, Mr. Jamitai, thanked Inspector General of Police for giving him the opportunity to serve. He commended the outgone CP Dan Malam Mohammed for his commitment to curb crime and criminality in the state and promised to improve on the security architecture.
I am here in Edo not only as the command CP, but also as a very good friend to all the people of Edo. My predecessor, AIG Dan Malam Mohammed, has achieved a lot. But I am promising that I will follow suit.
The outgone police commissioner thereafter handed over the mantle of leadership to his successor and wish him well in all endeavors.
I'm using this opportunity to hand over the Edo State Police Command to you, which consists of 10 area commands, 55 police divisions. And the state is surrounded by Kogi State from the north. You have the Delta State at Ondo State. Edo State is strategically located because it's a gateway to the northern part of Nigeria, and it's a gateway to southwest, south, and southeast.
Until his posting to Edo State, Mr. Lawal was at the Force Police Headquarters in Abuja. Wellington Hakodeja reporting.
My good people of Edo State, I want you all to join me and ask Governor Godwin Obaseki, what did Commissioner Lawal do to you? Obaseki, what did Commissioner Lawal do to you? Because he refused to carry out illegal activity. Because he refused to join your political militants. Because he refused to join Obaseki 4+4 terrorist group. A group that People Freedom Movement worldwide, United States-based movement, have labeled a terrorist organization. What did the Commissioner of Police, Commissioner Lawal, do to you, Governor Godwin Obaseki? How dare you try the power of uniform? Godwin Obaseki, governor is not forever. This is a noble man who have served for almost 35 years in uniform. You want to use your bad luck, your mind, to destroy a father, a husband, a brother who did nothing to you, but to come and help reduce crime, provide security for the good people of Edo State. What a pity life. How did Edo State come to this point? How did Edo State come to this level? Whereby Obaseki is now using law enforcement as his own political chess game. He's now using men and women in uniform as his own political thugs. He's now using a Wabaizigan vehicle as his own political tools for criminals, kidnappers, and naming to be using to attack his opposition. What a sad story. If you love Nigerian police, you love military, you love Navy, all law enforcement agency in the world, put your hands on this video and share it. One thing that Governor Obaseki did not realize, CP is in Benin City. Commissioner Lawal came to Edo State to work in line with the 1999 Nigerian Constitution, which settled the responsibility to protect and secure the life of citizens of the great country called Nigeria. And that Nigeria 1999 Constitution did not settle to tell Nigerian police officer that they should abandon to secure and protect Nigerian citizens' life instead and become a political police officer. I thought Governor Obaseki claimed he is educated. How come Governor Obaseki is working against the Nigerian Constitution? Somebody might ask him. CP Lawal should not be afraid of any political vultures like Governor Godwin Obaseki. He should understand that when you are with God and you have the truth, nobody can win you. It is in a mega comrade proverb. I repeat, it is in mega comrade proverb, the Ranomingo proverb, that nobody can win the truth. No matter how you're going to fight truth with money, with everything, with power, at the end of the day, truth will prevail. CP Lawal should partner with the Edo State stakeholder in order to help him reduce insecurity in Edo State. Mr. Lawal is the 41st Commissioner of Police in Edo State history. And I want his name to be in a good record of Edo book. I want Commissioner Lawal to walk out of Edo State and walk the walk of fame. Do not allow evil, corrupt, political vulture like Governor Godwin Obaseki to determine your future for you, to determine how you're going to retire, or to push you to walk the walk of shame. May Almighty Allah protect you and your family. That being said, we are going to continue the show. This is the preamble of today's show. This is Mega Comrade broadcasting live from Dallas, Texas. God bless you, your PFM broadcasting room. God bless you. Share this video as I am going to share this video as well. All I'm asking you, help me do two things. If you like this video, just hit the thumbs up on YouTube. If you don't like it, just walk away. You don't have to listen. If you're on Facebook, if you like it, you like whatever I'm saying, hit the thumbs up and love. If you don't like it, walk away. Quickly go to your Facebook, open up your Facebook page, go on live video, say whatever you like, talk your own, and let me talk my own. This is PFM platform. It's nobody else's platform. It belongs to innocent poor citizen. If you don't like our advocacy, please kindly just leave. Don't come here and be constituting nuisance, or else we are going to kick you out without notice. That being said, we are going to start the main show of today. We are going to talk about Governor Godwin Obaseki. We are going to talk about the CP, and we are going to talk about no other than Uyi Osunde. Now, Uyi Osunde Okpoto is now Orionba confirmed by Chief Omede and Ashokwaba Igehon. Power drunk Governor Godwin Obaseki should leave Comrade Tony Kabaka Adu, Edo State Police Commissioner Mr. Lawal Jemita, and his opposition alone. All his political opposition, Governor Obaseki should leave them alone. Okpoto, Akia, Frog, Uyi Osunde, and his radical terrorist militant leader in Germany, Monkey Face, are both enemy of the Oba of Benin Kingdom, simple and clear. That being said,
Itwe sasa no berame itwe sasa me no biye mo itwe amaduro ga itwe no nyagwa iwa de do ne baba iwa yo to na magyo wa de iwa o to ni vyo wa nyana o iwa de su ku me ne rinwe iwa wa ya o biogun iwa kuye ke wani ye kogba iwa ga yere mane baba iwa yo amane baba iye wa vero iwa wa ulawo iwa mane baba ulawo iragi me ye ke agi gaka ulawo aseme ale iwa ne baba iwa ta bonera me no bieme iwa so game ni ye mo iwa yo tu no go me iwa wori oba me ne baba iwa yo me no go me iyare ni mama ga yoro imaga ke o mama ga be so wa imaga ke o mama ga so wa o ogwi magiri ma hu fu ye ohun efa ma bi ori agbon o pa ikun no pa ye wala wo pa ika o no pa ogwe ki ara wo ife kwari kin oku e owu apma ikine gberi kin ori a wala wo o isame no kan dudu o mama tuti ro olode na ge baba olode na ge baba
Yes, brothers and sisters, as you all know, this is Mega Comedy, the talk and do of all time. Yesterday morning, a man who have committed so many atrocities, Uyi Osunde, who committed immigration fraud in Spain, a human trafficker, who were into sex slave. God bless you, Peter. I really appreciate your support. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. I know you are at work. That is Peter Sampson, a former correctional officer with the Texas Department of Criminal Justice. He's a human being. I acknowledge your help. God bless you. Okpoto Uyi is a man who have committed so many atrocities in Germany as well. He committed immigration fraud in Germany as well, and also human trafficking. Okpoto Uyi Osunde is unrepentant human trafficker. Unrepentant human trafficker. Recently, you know, ancestors of Edo land will catch up with all the enemy of the Oba very soon. Okpoto rush, try to hide all his atrocity against Benin Palace. Unfortunately, the ancestors, they revealed him. When they revealed his intent, the intent, that is what FBI is look for. When you commit or you say any word in social media or any word anywhere, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, the FBI, the almighty FBI, God bless America, sweet home, sweet home. God bless America, sweet home, sweet home. My power is FBI, law enforcement agency. I will shoot you a very big problem that you cannot get out of. Big one. Oh no, why winning me? I will expose you to the FBI. I will expose you to the Department of Homeland Security. I will expose you to counter-terrorism. And I will expose you to counter-human trafficking division. Itapo, worldwide. Akataka. God bless you. Sandra Amadasu, Weseo. God bless you. Thank you for supporting Mega Comrade. You see the way they agree. This is how you are supposed to be doing it. Look at it. You see, it's not even up to 30 minutes. We have almost 800 people watching Facebook and YouTube. Only 2 people are appreciating what I'm doing. You see, Wabege, keep it up. Wabege, €5. Oyati, keep it up. Let me do what we. One matter. God bless you. As you support our broadcast today, so God Almighty will support you. If you are on Facebook, we appear like we agbele yo mogwe, we agbele yo, wa ma okbe you o. Mini wo gwi my man sunu yo, mari ni we you tone. O ma wa pa den mari etu. My sedune. How one of we women on my we abwe we hiya we do. So I'm going to speak broken and English because a lot of people are here today who don't understand Benin language. Uyi Osunde is an irrelevant man. He doesn't want me wasting my time for, but as far as he has bad more than what he can join, we have to expose him. The palace is aware now. Uyi Osunde is enemy of palace. Confirm. Uyi Osunde have never worked all his life. He used to have a shop in Malaga. That shop, when they do video rental, we can speak our broken English. Video rental, you know video rental? $2, $1. Everybody was doing it. I used to have African production center in Dallas as well. Osunde, he did not stop there. He started prostituting. He became a male prostitute. These are the people that damage Nigeria image. Osunde is one of the evil in Malaga. After they deport him, one time they deport him and deport his wife. So his wife was now in Nigeria. But I will not go detail how he went by the money to bring their children back. Osunde, as I'm speaking to you, he has no one European passport because of the illegal activity he have put himself through. Osunde is a criminal. When we started AAC, take it back, Osunde called me. He wanted to know more about Omoyele Sowore. I told him. He said he's been trying to reach him. He don't know how to. I gave him every information. That was the first time I answered this small boy phone call. By then, my phone was accessible to everybody. Cookie, both anybody, both rat, cockroach, even worm, parasite. They were having my phone number. So, Osunde the evil frog. Osunde the frog parasite. decided to go underground, try to claim, not try, claim all the labor, PFM labor. With this a criminal call, more election. But this time, Osunde, you know Osunde is a Shetro. Shetro, they know how to manipulate people. Osunde did everything. I left him alone. No problem. He did everything. I left useless AAC for them. In Asania, I carry my red Bible. I say, God Almighty, those that came out to reap the fruit of my labor, please expose them. I pray every goddamn day for God to expose them. Little that I know that God will expose Osunde faster than I thought. Great mama. Hey, hey, what we a great mama. God bless you. We say thank you. Great mama. You see, €3.49. Oh yeah, it can give me thumbs up. Oh, God bless you. You might do it, but God will bless you. Oh, Sunday, after I prayed, oh, Sunday, I pray for Sunday to go and jam. Who strong past me, Anna? The same prayer I pray for God, no Basenki. He never today that God exposed Sunday. He wanted to use the same tactics he used in the AAC Take It Back. He rushed to RTV. He rushed. After I once Oba have labored. After Ashokoba Igehon have labored. After Iranomio have labored. After Fosa have labored. After Palmo Edo have labored. After Yabungwe. Some others I cannot call their name. God bless you. Kavi Igeho. Thank you. I appreciate it. Wamao. What's it? Koyo. What's it? Nothing Osunde did not do. Even they tried to. Let me tell you something. Igeho. Ashokoba. They use and make parable. He said now where person get power now they use them. He know the harder. He said now where person get power. Hey, social media now will be I mean I want to if I mean I want to do it. Oh na narrator the narrate person. Me too, I get power. For social media and FBI, law enforcement, I get power for America where I go use her. I get power with impeccable record. If your record is not clean, you cannot have that power. You have to be clean to have that power. After Osunde, he just come up for water. You know, frog now water than they stay. He did water say so. With his big head. With big head. Unweni no ya lalevage lalo. Oh yeah, oh hey, ina ni agbame yo kane. One kiero. Say me the put water for your head. Cause your head don't dry. You know say na frog. When did they talk? You know, I get who you are. Where else where who there? Oh you poto. And I want get to if you don't cry, you body not the rest. May they put water for and make it cry. Who you so no know a picture. Make a show a picture. Very the most useless Edoma in the whole world. She throw you know the works here. Una see her. See her with his old BMW 1988 BMW. See her BMW 1988. He even managed to go back ice glass of $1.99. €1.99. You know, see Boba Sokoto when it's so. This one actually true. Ige true. Oh yes, man. Oh, but be Osunde be man. My oh, but frog again, my people. Area. Person when you know they get 200 viewer, all of his only can't get 600. Now I say, Abba, amen. Topito, fucking boo. In America, ya big. I'm an American. I am proud to be an American. Me. The tiger and the lion combine. Oh, honey, make ye. Give me a kataka. My family are protecting this country. Why these goddamn bloody civilians sleeping? My family are protecting this country as I'm speaking. Really, guana. A Degbe family. Ya protect Americana. Ya war. They love one way, one way. Do you all like that? If it's easy. Make us today come to say, each family they protect Germany or Europe. My family is protecting the European Union. You understand me? So few not be last year. The jet when they go drop for Spain, when they want, then they think they protect NATO. Yet it tafu. The tafu. A dead boy away or to navigation you don't go out pretty here. Nonsense. Okay, yes, pay remind. So they don't know one man. Me money, me money. When my work in the my life is good. If not this PFM that I'm spending all my money, I'm supposed to just relax and be going from beach to beach with my wife. Me dole be me. It's not easy. I struggle. Quebec, Senegal to Quebec. I know they hire myself. Listen, I know they hire myself. I'm the king of innocent poor citizen. It's so funny. If you don't swear, you see, one by one, I climb ladder. I don't move full. So if he had, I would come down small, then I would climb. Osude, this man can't run him out. So an attempt to repair his little frog name, Zinger name. He begin to insult. They call himself Emite. They call himself no name way. Not call himself. If you like, call me a garbage carrier. It not concern me. Don't forget, I am trained to take all those nonsense. So, my people, now they also they can enter big one. Big one we can't grow rich neck now. Let's analyze it. We are going to talk about Tony Kabaka today. We are going to talk about the Islamic radical terrorist group that are invading Benin right now. We are going to talk about Godwin Obaseki kidnapping squad division. We are going to talk about all of them. Let's start with this useless Osunde. I want everyone to listen. What here? Chokpotore, call and come. More than call that frog come. Chokpotore, you never see where me I sit down. They eat. I go to sweat. They eat human trafficker money. You when they do prostitute. Ashawo.
What I feel. Association of Edo Union Region. They work like that. I won't go back again. Monkey face or your bano.
Oh, but also no. Or see Orionba, they call Orionba. Orionba, they call Orionba. Monkey face don't already show all the evidence. Say in the court. Wait.
Uno
wa ya
Emite of Dallas, can you tell me one thing that I've done or said against the palace of Benin?
What are we? Niye wa dona or reneno or tokbaban ivayana yasene. Listen.
Can you tell me one single thing that I've done or said against the palace of Benin?
Mona Lisa. This is where Mega Comrie is a honest man. This is where I am listen, 98% honest. I am going to play it where he talk about me. Are you people ready? If it's some presenter, they don't go to one. One to go. Bah.
Of your backing.
Cow.
Of your backing. Backing. Of your backing. Of your backing. That's me. Yeah, we can make it again.
Huh?
I know what to do. My grandfather's palace is still there without title.
Okay.
Aria goes on there, go to dance.
He said his grandfather palace is still there without title. Is this man? Where you for go school? How can you have a palace without title? Have you ever seen where they have palace without title? You should all your gua. Oh yeah, bayakele guara je the title you.
It's that palace before me, but that hospital, not in that Catholic hospital. Is this
I was about ekele guaya ye dancing road. Watching water mame. Watching water mame.
The man here, that hospital river, the palace before there. That's my father's palace.
How are you, Bob?
The guera ye. The guera ye. Now when you your body, you give your Sunday. I do it.
Or where you are winning, what I never know. When people will rush and watch video, let's go back. Or we turn it, or we the guinea, or we got winning. Why don't you say get fear warrior? Oh, say get fear warrior. Imoe. Usuli, Omudia. 51 seconds, point 40. Go ahead, more. Give me, or we are winning your back. Don't fear warrior. 51 seconds. Hey, give me 51 seconds, point 40. Who bad. Evo ugun ban of what he give me what I'm here. That pair will be 51 seconds. 51 seconds. Okay. 51 seconds point 40. On my saver. Okay. Let's listen.
Assistant the man here, the hospital river, the palace before there. That's my father's palace. The guera ye. The guera ye. Now when you made your body, you
okay. We are waiting in your back. Very good today. Or tie. You don't talk. Hey, imagine I want to buy down the honor. What would a big bay? Give me Topito master. Give me Sunday in Wafu. Hey, what am I?
Now when you made your body, you give your Sunday. I do what to do to go.
Wahona. Wamudia. I have way. Give me 1 second. I have way. I need to play so that people can hear what he said. I don't want to be. Hold on. Hold on. Where worry? Hold on. 51 minutes 40 seconds. 51 minutes 40 seconds. Okay. Am I okay? What? You will be out. 51 minutes. Okay, right there. Where are you? 51 minutes, 40 seconds. Don't fear one. Let me play this one first. What am here? Let everybody listen and listen very well. Give me 1 second. He may not. He allow. Akataka. Hello. Listen to where he said it. Copy to download. Bah. Sunday. Give me. Madam yo. Okay.
Guero where ye. Now when the media body make your Sunday, I know what to do to go.
Oh, we are.
Every no home.
Or we are winning your back near your Sunday. Or we know what to do. Now, if you hear I'm gonna do thumbs up. If you not hear, what you both do? Me what do you or that way?
Even a home, we're going where ye. Now, when the media body give it.
Okay. Okay, that is 7 seconds. Gafin avema. Igba. Life in our way now. I tell him yo. I will walk high wa konga. So pon me ankwara no ya go cool. Ogadam we also dey. Let's listen. I want more invite and come. We are going to be honest here. Marry ba oge. I will ba oge our because a matter ayagoba.
We're going where ye. Now when the media body give it, make your Sunday, I know what to do to go and do. But
Can we wait by?
we're going where ye. Now when the media body give it, make your Sunday, I know what to do to go and do. But
Okay, can we wait by?
we're going where ye. Now when the media body give it, make your Sunday, I know what to do to go and do.
Wahona. He said, we are waiting in your body and you Sunday. We know what to do. He did not say, oh, a mistake in one make a mistake in one make why agree. I'm not continue. I just want people to hear that. Okay, let's move forward. I will go back a Aladdin. I will go back only a year man, a one one. Yana only a yak in Gua. O Saloboa on a do fee on popo. Okay, let's go.
Every no home. Are you at the home?
Ja.
I hear the man out here, the hospital river, the palace before there. That's my father's palace. The Guerra ye. The Guerra ye. Now when the media body give it, make your Sunday, I know what to do to go and do. But every no home. If I don't home,
Okay.
I don't want it. I hear my daughter Sierra.
Ori people that go to Mokiface platform, they were celebrating him.
I don't bring water on here.
Are we Maria Mere? Ulayera, he say you don't bring water come. What did I tell you? I don't tell you, I say, oh, put on a water. Now is that water they swim? Why kill? Why walk moto? What would you? Gawri listen.
That Catholic hospital, is this at the hospital river, the palace before there. That's my father's palace. The Guerra ye. The Guerra ye. Now when the media body give it, make your Sunday, I know what to do to go and do. But every no home.
I'm a home.
If I don't home.
Okay.
I don't want it.
What am you?
I hear my daughter Sierra. Make mistake, I don't bring water on here. I want to end the matter because here I Totico, I'm there.
I'm a wami with them.
Telling I said,
Where said do?
here now. Here the traffic be our return it.
At my home.
What? Saint Philomena, God bless you. Merci Mkoro. Saint Philomena at here hospital at Redundancy. The very palace before it is my father's palace.
Okay.
Yeah, here again. I know what to do to wake it up.
Okay.
But mother, my wife tracking my lily. Tracking my wife lily yani or what in my man. Okay.
A track she throw track. After he don't talk say Osunde take him out talk say if he want be Oba, if he want go chop Oba titleship, now he mount it talk on Sunday take him out talk. Or chop him papa tattoo. He know what to do. He said but the track. Osunde we go and explain. No problem. Let's listen. I will interpret them. Be patient. Share this video. Watch here. If you know any boy now, what do ta? 1 mirror, you know, turn on with me. Why?
We are where a kid where any or Manuel, Yadole Doji, Jaguar Battle Doji, and Yari Evan Wawena to anyone don't know why Yari Evan
Warrior. Osude or warrior number one. Uyo Sude, your warrior number one.
I made the one he give her again. One them atano who are Yari
Umana. Or what Medevi Gihon, he say or Mediani Gihon. The chief titleship unasi una get, now they take out. You know what he interpret.
What Saint Philomena, God bless you. Merci Mkoro. Saint Philomena at here hospital at Redundancy. The very palace before it is my father's palace. Yeah, here again. I know what to do to wake it up. But mother, my wife tracking my lily. Tracking my wife lily yani or what in my man is okay. We are where a kid where any or Manuel Yadole Doji, Jaguar Battle Doji, and Yari Evan Wawena to anyone don't know why Yari Evan. Who are made the one he give her again Wawane, them atano, who are Yari Evan. Them atano, why Yadole Doji, Dole Doji, Nadorama, no Selurama, no Warama, no Karama. Why? You do your worry, oh, why are you back? I will go back here. Oh, you back?
Hey, so you are so David B. Or my jovel and no can't believe. Masia. Now, I reach it all. He can't take him out in that trap. Big one.
Yeah. On a man to us in the supermarket, Oriomba. Or a party, on my finway, Oriomba. Yeah, to Yamadigwe, Oriomba. Come on, man.
America, well, yeah. Come on, man. Shut up. Shut the fuck up, man. Are you in America? Why can't you speak German? You motherfucker. Come on, man. Are you in America? Have you ever been to the United States? Why can't you mind your goddamn business, Osunde? Mind your business. Don't try to imitate what you are not. Idiot. Stupid, dumbass motherfucker.
You are bringing down the palace, the honor, the dignity of the palace. You are trying to bring it down. Edoni Mose, Edonayarua, Eimahi.
Where, Okoto? Where is Edoni? Where's that Edoni Okoto? Akie weki over the wena where? Umama mere wo you know taba uma yere ya mo do lelegbere no make na hwe we
if you buy him iya ogyoba awogyoba de ruwe iya egbin eyi ogyoba if ogyoba mo be oba ati yedo aduma o be oba keke ogyoba ati yedo ya iya ogyoba. I will go by the road. My other here.
Okay, what should we were here on your bar? We were here on your bar as you can't know any meaning of palace. Why you not come out? Fight on. Why? Osunde. Why you not come out? You dead Germany. Oh, your bar dead Germany. Germany now be the capital of Ohioba. Capital of Ohioba. Now Germany.
Ogumba. So if there is nobody, and we do a twist, Ekiruwakado last year.
Oh, they did it last year, but you were happy. Just imagine, they did it last year. He was good then. Now you have affected him. He have now affected Osunde. Now he's not bringing. So when they were doing it last year, it did not affect you. He was happy. He was happy.
My people. They talk done too much because these two people, they just want to make me talk. You know, this is not my way. This is not my way. But I decided to brag a little bit about my heritage today because of these people. I just want them to know that I am not a pushover. That palace is my home.
Okay. They are listening to you. Yeah, let me watch and see this message. They are listening to you. Yeah, Akataka. Today na today. Oh boy. Today na today. Today na today. This thing go reach. It go reach 7 video. Now only 20 minutes. Now they try to let's go.
I have a stake in a palace.
Yeah.
It's my home. It's my father's throne. Oba is my father.
Oba is your father. How come you are not in Germany fighting? How many times have you come out and fight monkey face? How many times have you come out and criticize and reject what monkey face is? But monkey face have already told us. Yeah. Let me play it. This one is not Dense. I'm not there for Dense. Yeah. Monkey face have already said it. Said it all. Listen.
So they are very stupid man. Now my friend who so they are very stupid man. Now my friend who now Spain 9 days. You know they walk. Now Centro.
Okay.
In wife. 10 days for Spain before your wife come.
Okay. They are good friends.
They walk with wife they walk.
See 2 of them.
The wife they walk. All those people they clean. Old people yansh. The man they walk. If the man come. So they are very stupid man. Now my friend who now Spain 9 days. You know they walk. Now Centro. In wife. 10 days for Spain before your wife come call Germany here. You know they walk with wife they walk. The wife they walk. All those people they clean. Old people yansh.
Okay. Let's go.
The Oba Obedi is my father. My blood. Inside the Oba.
Good way.
My blood.
Where you know?
Oba Sonye. Blood flows in. So stop that bullshit.
America, he called the America for video. La bullshit he called speak. People want to Americanize themselves. Mega comrade that is in the home of the cowboy. You know what I'm saying? He is not trying to America. I'm not trying to be what I'm not. I'm from Migodo land. Then when I see all this, let's go ahead.
Stop that bullshit. Those corner chief.
Corner chief.
Corner chief. My people, I think I don't know. Maybe let's call it a day. For those of you who wanted me to air my opinion, I didn't want to come out. I didn't want to say this, but I am just for the sake of some of my fans who.
Fast. Oh, you get fast. Many people don't suffer. Oh, frog still get fast. So what still get fans? Frog get fans. No, anyway, Ogyoba still get follower. Anyway, let's go.
Even at that, I refuse to clarify until this last video or audio message sent out by Omede and Igiho. So then I said, okay, these were the guys that were behind all the cyber attack. Omede and Igiho were the people that paid all those hooligans, all those users that I don't want to, they don't even want me to mention them.
See, who want Opoto to call their name? Nobody want Frog to call their name. Eh? Look at this rejected element who have never worked in his life. Unrepentant human trafficker. Uyo Sunday. You know, Shetro number 1.
The only person that surprised me among them all, only one person surprised me. That is Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy surprised me because he was the only one that stood and said, stop this nonsense.
See?
Leave Uyo Sunday alone. And I never expected him being the way he acts. I never expected Eddie Murphy to be the one to defend me.
Okay.
But against all odds, he was the one.
Okay.
He was the one.
Okay.
That defended me.
Okay.
And I thank him for that. I thank Mr. Eddie Murphy. Because sometimes Roland Eborojo is the president of Edos in diaspora. If I'm a member of that.
You are an idiot. How dare you? Who told you that? You know what? Area. Tomorrow, we are going to start from where we stop. No, not tomorrow. On Friday. This Osunde matter, we don't enter the second stage. So, before we go to another stage, I will open my phone line. Let's call her. Let me do the first calling. Give me 1 second. Before we enter another stage. Let me quickly send this. I have a breaking news. I have a breaking news. Breaking news. You know what I'm saying? Things are happening in Nigeria right now, in Benin City. I just got an information right now. But we are going to do the... If you have anything to contribute in this, you can go ahead and call now. So let's do this right quick. Okay. Osunde. Oh. Me 1 second. Okay. All right. First caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, Madam Ega.
Mama H, God bless you.
Hello.
We are getting
Uyo today. It cannot be a lie, It cannot be a lie. Off down, it got down, it go down here. It was managed to down here, not India. It cannot get now, it's somewhere around NY Dancing Road.
Okay.
Off the lane, no. A little Dancing Road, you know. I saw where Reggie Dave and said, oh, 1 year again, 1 year again. Oh, we, other place I can, no, Eweka, or river. A can ye again now. A can ye have way palace again now. This man is a fraudster.
Okay.
And most people that come out from that family house, they are all black and all.
Okay.
So one this type of complexion with me.
Yellow papa.
Okay.
Okay.
Also then, Except all year what you are just go my dear. What am I with that?
Okay.
Our way here is here well related to about so our jaguar, online jaguar, or don't the people for you every night the ticket is traced you know weekend but I will say that why all this what you come carry your day?
Babu, miracle Babu.
What you come carry your day? Very not I mean I'm answering that question and I'm asking the question I'm going to answer it.
Okay.
What you come carry your today or what you come your day is here to it's your nickel or twilight. I mean if I say I'm here my sana na nesa ya ga ba ara wo awuloko emi da mi ya kama aso na swaya la dia
okay
ko e mo oge ya ni ga ta lo mai o ya swaya la dia aswa na kina if you look yo gireva if is wrong aso na swaya no do down no do the answer no that I'm sure he's regretting now but it's too late already for him.
Correct. Wama.
So what I'm trying to say again, where I know we are telling,
okay.
Is it preserve everywhere? Onya one in the Dani.
Okay.
So, and our work family is ready. My family is telling you, the family in the river, they are all so.
Okay.
Well, they are all so young and high. Yeah, my shot, ready and shot now. I know a pop one. So they are not carry. I'm not carrying on for one. I'm not carrying on shot.
Malaria, no, ya woman. Malaria, na malaria.
COVID-19, all my baby were COVID-19 or we know what happened. COVID-19, coronavirus.
Oh, so they born a born fever. That's why yellow like malaria.
Why talk with bleach?
Yeah, igi hona ye ta ya bolegbe. Won mai hona. Awe Nigeria we ma bolegbe yan lele we Europe. We ma hon.
Oh, there do. You are so what because I know that. Even not here, even not here last. Even better ya wuna for the past even 1 year, 2 years. A place is not like that.
Amen.
A business here. Even though that pay income tax return on here.
Sunday know what is called contact. Amen. You no get. Okay, we go we take agwali contact say.
Agwali ni kwa le kuko ni kwa away now you get a company no me.
Okay.
You go to a company house who beg error.
Okay.
You
a froster dano opoto ekiye.
When you say not to
ona iwa no ona bene uyi we ma me no taban we make me no ta we down yo mo ja ni pe hold on we make me no ta
I take it time we make ah
emi ni taban o we din e oni eri oba e amana ne ota mehe we igbenana igwa he we wo owe paisu owe ni nje paisu owe obiye and let me reply no there we o go ni nje paisu obiye nje paisu ni e je do ya tv the about jefa ime yita we na nya
correct. I was always calling him and commenting on his work.
Okay.
But your history is inaccurate.
Okay.
And our way of Giso being, I want to go here, but Giso Bakatia, Pocket the bed, we have Giso Bakatia.
Okay.
Oh, so Poto, no 10th history. Who was from somewhere from Benue Kogi. Okay, I was not telling you, who is from Ileife.
Mahon. Mahon. Oh, one lo marry. Lo marry.
Me.
Why?
Akbabobo.
Ho. Akie. Opoto.
Today. Your second day today is Akbabobo.
Akbabobo. Owa udenewe. Udenewe.
Ere Lipopo girls. Lipopo children. Lipopo teenager girls.
de no we ni popo I okpa no abieva ama wo pa again wa abieva if wa again igi mi ra na jagbe iwi eni ho viva again ya wa hin iye ko we kin wa me ri ke bebe
o se wa me ke o kan en o kan o be
a fe ko kan we o kan we ya iya wo ori wa o ga hi iya wo e pa bi se wa ri iya wo fo wa maru e towe ya wo mu yun towe ya we towe o ya wa ame wa tele wa wo ya gbe oni san osunde
o so tower ni o bo ni o le je ni o ka o akin fo ya no ya ni pure no ton pure ma ton
eri aha eri awa ya wa gbo ye yen ken wo kuma
wo ya o gwa lo fe opportunity
wa na ogbe na so gbe na o wa gbe na uwe se mama eshi uwe se wa ga na ya wa na ya ona ma wa ye Roma ga let's the next call, let me do this okay oh ayamana meri wo osude ni e wata na ni mana we yen waredo na igbena na wa ewe wo cause yen waredo hello chifa wa so ba
mega
koyo
yo bro
we watch ya real life
koyo
yo eme ogun ba na ge uyi wo osunde keke wo ti emoki face owe te won pa imaidu we hon na o ide ni pe igun pe nu make na hon mudia wa give me a minute ni wa ya real la ni pe send la phone no pa we make na hon ototo not way one video ni me mai wa ge ya fo so ni me wa ge bana ni me ga u bania eme no ta eze de ma ye won pe yeah 1 second okay o say one you be na hin dam yo
me guero we aye me awe ni me ri oba ri ekire ri eki osunde
wona o we awe ni eri
e bo ba re do one of the Obiobari Oba Redua.
Okay.
Obiobari Oba Redua wa. Emujina because oye be you know that because you enika o so ona di be la nya. Wa bege inusini awuni the so-called a vice president of Edo community in Germany, the Freiburg, the secretary the Romeo, the cancer, the so-called president, a Christian, a Jadome. Oputo. Because Uyo Sude, Uyo Baeno, Uyo Sude, or Apole, Noria Benica, Noria Bear, Noria Begua, or Ego Wona. Ijosima Wuhan, Evi Anoga Hame, the Moki Faith. Then we read on ya Uyo Sude, Uyo Wewe, we are taking away. Because your parent is very bad. Who are not quick money while I wait if you see the ITV, if we all who are below that way, who are freedom.
He said,
who are freedom. Go that way, what my said or ya TV, and me do, I'm a way boy. Who are in your body more you go that way in your or Boomerang. Ekine, a vice president of Ijabu, take a secretary of Romeo, take
no we
Mudiane o na mudiane awan so ba mudia Dominia tie pretty good yon do appear de year na tama pretty good mo picture Serena mo picture ogun ogbo e we no wo pretty good no do appear de iyan ogbo mo jon yo awon ogbo alagbodo awon mo jon awo ira ti we ma dan wa mai wa ma ima ti we ka wo ba ma ti we we do appear de ma no we are pretty good iye ogbomo yu awo mo dun awuyo alabode awuyo awo wona
ana ni so di na owa mi ge ga iti owo kan wara awon bowo ne ogi oba yo su de re alatia ona fi pe ge ka mo ba
ke no wa piere de dina ku we no wa piere de dina o we no dion o wuyo awo wo ye bowo ya yi we mu we yo to
oh gbẹ́nu owó lọ ọ̀gá ti bà ní àárọ̀ wẹ́rẹ́ náà yá gbógi ọba náà ẹ̀ ọ̀nà ìgbà yẹn ọ̀nà àgbo ni èrè nìyẹn pa èmi ẹ̀wà ni màkòkò gbogbo awé náà náà òmí ẹgbẹ́ ogi ọba náà òsúndé ọ̀mù ìmọ̀ yára ọ̀nà àpò bọ́yọ̀ yìí. Èmi ló dá sọ wa ya sáré.
Ẹwà.
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 Òpẹ́ tó pẹ́ àná lọ́wọ́ yẹn gbùmọ̀ sí òṣèré ẹ̀dọ́ náà lọ́ka gbùmọ̀ rọ̀ ìnọ̀rọ̀ òwe ló pa àyàn ọ̀pá òmí ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀hún akọ́wà náà yìí mú ẹ̀wọ̀n sí òṣèré gbọ́ náà ìyá mú yá yára òun náà wọ́n yá pé bọ́lá yá pé sísẹ́ ìlú yá rẹ̀ yìí. Èmi ló dáwọ́ sọ fẹ́ yà púpọ̀ àwọ̀ ẹ̀ èmi ló gbọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ wúrọ̀ wẹ́ mi ọ́ èrè rẹ̀ ayá ẹ̀ wọ̀ ẹ̀ èké lórí ayé ní táyà rẹ̀ ọ̀gá ayé wọ̀ ẹ̀ èrè ọ̀ọ́sẹ̀ wọ̀ ẹ̀ ọ̀ọ́sẹ̀ tẹ̀ ìwọ̀ ẹ̀ ìgbé wọ̀ ẹ̀ ó kẹ́ amúwẹ̀ yóò tọ̀ ọ̀yẹ̀ náà gbẹ̀rẹ̀ wá ó yé súndé ìwé ní káàmà ẹgbẹ̀wọ̀ wọn ẹ̀ ọmọ akọ màá rí ẹgbọ̀rọ̀ parí dánsì ẹgbọ̀rọ̀ parí up dancing ekele egwa ade tioni bo egwa ri ana to so mani bie ya ha ma won pari ya o evare kenwa road o pari yo gbe o pari ori ya o pari selu
yeah. The line just cut off. Let me call it again. Go ahead. What for? Yes.
Amy. Oh, Zama. Then up on the Tacoba Road. Okiame. Any Zamani. A Daikenu Seluna Rai. No one there Uzamani only. So Osude, it might be Nukiri. Whenever I'm today, it's up the Lagos Road, on that one, on Dojeva, on the Ujo Adi, the one one, anyway. Understand? So far, if you know every Westiasio, we came with video who related to what we pass to do. Ọ̀gẹ́dọ́bà rẹ̀ dó oyọ́bà lọ́ba wà á kú wà lọ́yí fínú gé ẹ̀dó lọ́yí fínú gé sáré wẹ́ lọ́yí gúnmà ẹ̀wọ̀n kọ́ wà gbọ̀n ní ẹ̀ wẹ́ ọ̀dẹ́ bàá mà ọ̀sìnrẹ̀sẹ̀ rẹ̀ dó wà ó lùkọ́ àwọn fínú gé yàn ìgbọ́dún wà sọ wà káyà àṣà ẹ̀.
Yẹn wà.
Àkúwà gbogbo àwùwà òbú wà ọ̀kẹ́ àkúwà ìtọ̀.
Ó gbé.
Sọ̀pọ̀ àwọn ayẹyẹ kiri wọ́. Ìyẹn náà ẹ̀sùn wà gbé wọn láti rìn ọrùn dáwẹ́ ọba yẹn wò pápọ̀ fi yẹn. Wàá tún wà lórí yá gbèsè yé ìsásí oye náà. Ovi ọba lọ wúlé náà. Lọ sí ẹ̀dọ̀ fẹ́. Wàá tún wà lórí yá gbẹ̀dọ̀ yá ṣẹ́ program ẹ̀dọ̀ yá ṣẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ ọmọkùnrin àwùwà.
Ẹ wà.
Ṣùgbọ́n man of Mawutanina, evidence in my view. Here, Bona.
He said,
Take a spy man, here, Bona.
he said,
What a year, what are you? Why, only the best person, we are good at doing Omupa war, Somupa war, Obu, Hayamu, you talk. Later on, I medically die. Who are where who feel get do. I wouldn't want dear guy who do it, no key, who are here, Mama T. West, who do the Bama, Binana. While we are very young, who do the we are saying the way. Come, no, we are what you, no, we are all here. On sincere Guana, on a week bobber and amigo, who that were who the Guagia or you. On my coma, no, we are Tia Bonnet, we are the Bogbe, we tell Ogoba, and I got you after our fun.
he said,
Omupa, why you were said,
he said,
that were not you cop, a cook up. Why, one we have your video, only the Beladia, 100 years, a profession year. They want to say, Guana, why kill a war? Why kill a war? Go that way. I should go back. I left for back. Oba and Oga. I didn't want Oba. No, why kiri. No, what they by man. Do bini binana. Na me where. Edu yiri gogo ayo yuru yasuwaya edu owitu manene wa go osude mi no ebu gbegbe esi asiuna
Kakabo,
emi no ebu ori ore ka mare iye ni osi we Okuna lórí abosa lórí abegwa ọ̀gá arógbó sunde ní Frankfurt.
Yemi.
Osunde ọ̀gá ẹ̀yìn ní Tana igó òwe náà rèbẹ́bọ̀ gbogbo ẹnu pọ̀ nìyọ. Yàtí ìrẹsọ gbogbo ẹnu pọ̀ nìyọ. Ọ̀gá ẹ̀yìn ní mẹ́ná wọ́n sọ bá Tana igó òwe náà rèbẹ́bọ̀ gbogbo ẹnu pọ̀ nìyọ nínú ìgbẹ́dọ́là. Wẹ́ àmóhùn ìbáwẹ̀. Osude nuwekewe eladi de Facebook o my eladi one day when my video we have no kind of worry
Ero.
we do real eladi we video na wo ha na we o ma ni ana egbewe no also mo wa go boyo Pamusa more wo we part 1 part 2 part 3 and I know that with my body.
Mata. Hey.
Ìgbésẹ̀ gbé ọkọ̀.
Ẹ̀wà.
Ìkàmàwẹ̀ adé kọ́sí wẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀mẹ̀ fọ́ọ̀mù ẹ̀ náà wọ́n parí UK ó pa torítorí náà ò máa wẹ̀ bá òun wẹ̀ gbé kan ẹ̀ ọ̀ bẹ̀ dá mi wẹ̀ òkùnrin náà tiẹ̀ iyu tètè. Ọmọ tó sì kọ́ wọ́n kárí pìtú wẹ̀ làjẹ́ tó pa ọ̀ kárí pìtú wà wẹ̀ ọ̀wé ìnà yẹ dùgbé ẹ̀ pípé ya. Èmi kéde àrùn rí máa fẹ́rẹ́fẹ́ wẹ̀ ní UTT ùmáyẹ̀wọ̀ díò lóyà kọ̀ndẹ́mù lóyà òwúrẹ̀ ògùn bánà ùgà ẹ̀mí wa lọ sí ọba òsìrìsẹ́rẹ́ dó òsìrìsẹ́rẹ́ gbà odò ogun náà wé fídíò ẹ̀ bánà kàṣẹ́ ìgbégẹ́dẹ̀gbẹ́ ọ̀họ́ èmi náà dá ẹ̀sọ́ ọkọ̀ ya àríyànjẹ́ wọ́n dẹ̀rẹ̀ UK wọ́n á mọ̀ mọ̀ bọ́ kẹ́yà lóòótọ́ ẹ̀bọ̀ páyà iná bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́fẹ́ ẹ̀bọ̀ páyà lóòótọ́ ẹ̀rẹ́ ní du ìgbà ìwé náà nọ UTT adé ẹgbẹ́ mi wà wẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ mi àdàwẹ́ ètò ìwé ayé nọ nínú táàyè ọmọ rà sí Osunde wà ẹ̀kú wà lọ́kùnkù wẹ̀ ẹ̀ broadcast ní wà kàmú wà yẹn wà ní studio ní et que c'est Gadome. Et donc, oui, vaste, oui, également, or the five et que Romeo was you. What I have to
Yeah, what?
Because Wale Sumani, where no Sudela Facebook, no do I move my yaka. What? Oh, I am Wamana.
Yeah, what?
Anybody plastic the word about. I know.
Where's
You know where
where's he? You know where I want to
Obama, Monoba do. Polo, and why not put it down? Oh, Pano, you were, so you were for Uno, will be. You are like a Catholic cow, a donkey with ye.
The matter one, no.
And I will, Saleni cow, now is your more, only Obama. Yari Obama, Bomo, where it will go. Il y a deux, il y a ce il y a nous sommes en un pays. Il y a un webo, Torisi, il y a un Yari Mogo. Il y a un Manwe, ou un
Manwe.
Il y a un Diamé du Tave.
Amen.
Et tu as un Diamé du Tave.
Il sait.
On va pas y le boire.
Il sait.
Pas y le boire pour.
Il sait.
Obama was a little giver.
Ewa no.
We my mama sabi.
E mata wa.
We do ba. Oh, be no go no.
Ise.
No you we. No de so for ba ye do. O we me ba o ya le gbe di kari e ni.
Gbe.
Oh, be no go no kegbe wo e do ni. No gi yawo awon ogi oba na jeke. E no do wa fe wa ya e.
Yeah, wa.
E gbuda no bo ga di wa e ni. Wa lo le la bi. Ni go lu wa me ni. E me wa fi wa e. Wa yo bu wa ri e mi ari popa. O wa ha pe de wa ha pe de mu yu ga me ni.
Se.
E ke wa ri aye no. On va comment non oui a fait d'ouvert on va la vie
il sait
e bonatier na wala wo wa kwa wala wa mo ari ezokta ezuloko o boko bu o o mi jaji o sa afa o imam e de wa we e de no me na wo ni wala ri ya ti ko bora kwa kuwa komani wa lo la yimi
ya wa
wa yori
ya wa
perite
ise
o ba to pe
ise o ma wese o be wa eni wa agwa kani nenia mahia moja ashokoba Maraiga teme, ere o kan ya ti o, du me no ata no wa ti na no tai. Iga la. Imuna we ne ba, o kan iwere gbe ti o. Enihi. Okay. So that being said, this Sunday matter, we are going to put it on the other side. I'm going to give 5 minutes to receive call on it. If you have anything to say about it, call within these 5 minutes. If not, give me a second. Let me answer this. Hello.
Ekino kwashi okuna ke yitete no wa wojo ya sopute ofuyi no yo bana wala okuna no kewu osiasuna oyeke wala la uyire ro yo kere mega e wa yiro no chi wo wesi
ama
yitete la Yes.
As you all know, there are things that is going on in Benin right now. A lot of things is going on. Give me 1 second. And what we are seeing everywhere, there's a breaking news. What just happened in Edo land? Wow, unbelievable. A trailer of Dangote trailer. Wow, what is this? Oh my God. What is this? Can you believe this? So, the trailer were bringing cement into Edo State. Allegedly, there was a weapon that was hidden in it. And as we speak, those weapons were for Fulani, Niger Republic, and Chad Fulani herdsmen. Those weapons right now are all in Edo State. We are not going to talk about that right now, so we should concentrate on this issue of Osunde for now. You know what I'm saying? So that is it. On behalf of PFM, I want to thank those that continue to support us physically, spiritually, otherwise. Without you, we won't be able to do this. And I want to say this again. We are going to wait for 5 minutes because we don't want this video to exceed more than 1 hour 40 minutes. It's not every day we're going to be doing video that is going to be exceeding 1 hour 30 minutes or 1 hour 40 minutes. This is not, I do not want my video to be too long. So when it becomes too long, it will become boring for people to watch. And someone like me, I don't do it. But I thank those that have time to do it. So that is it. Let me acknowledge PFM members that are here right now. Gwaligo One, God bless you. I acknowledge your presence. Gift Iyore, I acknowledge your presence. And Dennis Sylvester, I acknowledge your presence. God bless you. Let's see, Bright Obaze of UK. God bless you. I acknowledge your presence. Gwaligo One is always here every goddamn time. God bless you, Gwaligo One of New Zealand. New Zealand. You know what I'm saying? We have Uwoho here. We have Destiny here. And we have other supporters as well as Sandra Amadasun, the great mama. God bless you. That is a very lovely mother. Norega said one. God bless you. So let's move to, please, the calling time is cut off. No more calling. So you can see right now, I'm going to put the call on silent. The calling time is on silent right now. So no more call. If you call, I'm going to block your number. I will not even see it. So I just want you to know that. Let me quickly see this. So bam. Now it goes on silent. Okay. Let's go to Edo State political saga. Allegedly, Governor Godwin Obaseki, June is our primary election. I think June 16th or June 19th. Which one of them? Somebody should write. I know. I'm sure it's June, either June 19 or something. June 16 or 19. Governor Godwin Obaseki have imported a lot of Fulani herdsmen into Edo State, and he tried by all possible means to use the state commissioner of police. He have tried every way to try to completely destroy Comrade Tony Kabaka. But one thing we want to let him know, Comrade Tony Kabaka did no wrong to Governor Obaseki. He have helped Governor Obaseki. If not Comrade Tony Kabaka, Obaseki will not be the governor of Edo State. Unfortunately, it turned around. He want to use whatever means. And even because of the commissioner of police refused to carry out illegal arrest of Shaba, Comrade Tony Kabaka, Sakbawano Moles, and others are one of the reasons why Governor Obaseki decided to pay Abuja money to remove the CP. But by the power of Almighty God, Comrade Tony Kabaka will survive all this attack. And for those who Comrade Tony Kabaka have helped, it is time for you all to be doing audio. I have said this over and over and over. I am the only one coming out on social media now to defend Comrade Tony Kabaka. It's not 22. They are wrong. The timetable is not 22. That is the primary election. So I have the schedule. The timetable is just that I cannot find it now. I'm using the phone. So if you know that Comrade Tony Kabaka have helped you one way or the other, this is the time for you to let the whole world know. Don't just leave it for Mega Comrade to be doing. Tony is going through a lot. Governor Obaseki is doing whatever it takes to make sure. You heard now Governor Obaseki is kidnapping people in Edo State. I said it. Governor Obaseki 4+4 Togba terrorist group led by terrorists Abat Emite Obaze. They are doing kidnapping all over Edo State right now. All over Edo State. And they are importing Fulani herdsmen into Edo State as we speak. The information that I gathered today, let me quickly check the. Let me quickly tell you, if you are telling me anything, let me call this guy. I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I want to tell you, if you information that you cannot send to me, don't tell me anything about it, or I will block you. I'm not the only one that's going to be doing everything. Why do your people just want free ride? I have to do everything. Okay? I don't like that. Don't do it again. When we win on. So, if you know you don't have evidence of your information, don't tell me or don't send it to me, or else I block you. That is it. So I'm going to call someone that want to talk about this to Comrade Tony Kabaka. Just hold on. No, sorry. Give me 1 second. This is about Tony Kabaka. If you're going to call on it, let it be about either you are telling the governor to leave him alone or don't call. That is it. You know, it's easy for people to talk and talk and talk when they are not on social media, they are not on their platform. But when the time comes, give me a second. Let me quickly answer this call again. Hello. Nemo speaker.
Yes. About the Kabaka issue, what interesting one.
Okay, go ahead.
I want to appeal to my Excellency, Governor Noah Obaseki. Nola Owo, Kabaka, Otueno, Owoeno, Owe. I have one more than a baby. Oriya Kabaka Moda. Warige a Kabaka or one Jubonoji Mabeto, and do not buy G. Warageria Emi ari Fulani na ya wawe dona. Ema babe kabaka mani. E kabaka ne yere egene ne yana we riot yana fu ya usa kwa Chokoba road. Igo ne kabaka ni cover billions of dollars ona mugona mulatia. Egene courtesy ya agbelewa isolate person came out and appeal. You know, now law, my Excellency, I'm here to appeal on behalf of Tony Kabaka. Now law, Emi came no riau naja lekwe because omona was get to what no many politics no law, my Excellency. Emi came no mona riu and law. Aya boy, Ogirayu, Omarayu, no lao. Iwa ye do ya imia. Uhopa ya diri ya fifefe ya imia, my Excellency, Toba Ase, no lao, no ya boy, ewe dota. Me no kwana, oi chief, omede, the Amasoba Uselu, but we will communicate no lao, my Excellency.
All right, what's it? What's the second word? No ma. Anyone wahonanya. So you know, Tony Kabaka. I just believe that the way people try to ruin my name, that is how they did to him. And it's unfortunate that Tony have labored so hard for Governor Obaseki. It's because of Governor Obaseki, me and him was having problem. And at the end of the day, Governor Obaseki used him as a scapegoat. It's so unfortunate. You know, very, very unfortunate. Well, like I said, I do not want this video to be that long. We are going to move to YouTube. If you're on Facebook, meet us on YouTube. We are going to shut down the Facebook right now. You meet us in YouTube. That is it. Whatever we have to do, then we can do it. God bless you all. I appreciate it. You can come to YouTube. That is it. God bless you.